100-meter start. All set. Light is on. Racing from the 2100, Try-Tune jumped up at the start, missed it by a couple of lengths on Barrier Rise. Kiyoshi got away well, comes across the front of the field. Impact Ratings up there with Kingston Classic and Pro Fair across from the outside. Al Did Navidad got away well with Feudal Lord, but coming down the home straight the first time now. And Kiyoshi is the leader. Running down to the winning post, Kiyoshi leads Al Did Navidad. Kingston Classic running third. Ironmonger 4, Pro Fair the outside, then Feudal Lord followed by Impressive Johnson, Impact Rating, then Morrow Wind, Gimme the News, Corellan Storm, Ben Scenic, Maasai Lady, and Try-Tune's at the tail of the field. Top turn they're on. Kiyoshi leads away, running 2 Al Did Navidad, 3 Kingston Classic, 4 Ironmonger, 5 Pro Fair, 6 Feudal Lord, 7 Impressive Johnson, 8 on the outside is Impact Rating, 2 lengths away Morrow Wind, they're followed by Gimme the News, Corellan Storm, 2 off, then came Ben Scenic, followed by Maasai Lady, and 3 away. Try-Tune's at the tail of the field. Down the back with 1,000 metres left to go. Kiyoshi from Al Did Navidad, Ironmonger, Kingston Classic, Pro Fair, Impressive Johnson, Feudal Lord, Impact Rating, Morrow Wind, Corellan Storm, Gimme the News, Maasai Lady, Ben Scenic, and Try-Tune's at the tail of the field. 750 metres left to go. Al Did Navidad around the outside reaches the lead from Kiyoshi. Kingston Classic is running third and moving up, then Ironmonger. Impact Rating goes there, followed by Feudal Lord and then Pro Fair. Gimme the News is around the outside. Impressive Johnson's back on the inside, and Ben Scenic's running into the race very strongly now, running up to the home corner now, and Impact Rating reached the lead. Impact Rating hit the front. Ben Scenic's battling away with Gimme the News. Try-Tune's down the outside, and Maasai Ladies running on with 200 left to go. Impact Rating and Try-Tune in a rip-tickling, gut-wrenching, soul-stirring go, but Try-Tune races away to beat Impact Rating and Impressive Johnson. Running fourth in the race, Feudal Lord fifth, Gimme the News. They're followed then by Kingston Classic, Ben Scenic, then Corellan Storm. They're followed then by Ironmonger, Pro Fair, Maasai Lady, Morrow Wind, and Al Did Navidad ran last of all.